This is the elevator at the Noma-Gallaudet University Station in Northeast Washington, D.C. It is a generic elevator, and I'm also with DMV Adventures with Matthew, who is shutterbugging the hell out of this elevator. We're just waiting. The elevator's open, Matt.
Here.
Yep. Alright, and then we'll go to the mezzanine. It's got nail resistant buttons. And the door close button does not work very well. We're gonna watch the window.
Yeah, normally it does on the metro elevators.
It is not the cleanest car in the world.
Yeah, and for being a newer station, that's unfortunate. Also, the floor indicator's burned out.
Well, yep. So you're mostly gonna see window views, people.
This elevator is incredibly slow.
Yep. But it does have a machine room. That's cool. As you can see, downtown Northeast Washington, D.C. is right here. And Matt is going to press the button to go back up.
The indicator is completely burned out on both floors.
Yeah.
See if we have a motor.
I hear one.
Kind of. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, these elevator motors aren't as good. Alright. So with that being said, oh, you're coming back? Never mind. We're going down again.
Because we're exiting.
I thought we were. Funny. You got me in the picture. Hopefully we can get a photo of the two of us, and then we can get photos of me. Alright, now we can get out of here. Alright, with that being said, like, subscribe to Transit Elevate, subscribe to DMV Adventures with Matthew, and that will be it. Goodbye.